Hello, and welcome to our lesson on planning for risk management. In this segment, we'll discuss developing risk management approach or strategy. Developing a comprehensive risk management approach and strategy is essential for proactively addressing potential risks and uncertainties within a project. This requires careful consideration of various factors, including defining risk management philosophy and principles, determining risk tolerance levels, identifying preferred methodologies and techniques, selecting appropriate tools and resources, integrating risk management with other project management processes, formulating risk management strategy, and defining communication channels and reporting mechanisms. By addressing these components comprehensively, project teams can enhance their capacity to proactively identify, assess, and manage risks, thereby increasing the likelihood of project success. This section explores the key components involved in crafting an effective risk management approach. At the core of any risk management approach lies a set of guiding principles and a defined philosophy that governs how risks are identified, assessed, and managed. Key considerations in this regard include philosophy, definition, articulating the overarching beliefs and values that underpin the project's approach to risk management. This may include promoting a culture of transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement in managing project risks. Principle establishment, defining specific risk management principles that guide decision-making and actions throughout the project lifecycle. These principles may encompass concepts such as risk-based decision-making, stakeholder engagement, and the integration of risk management into project processes. By defining a clear risk management philosophy and set of principles, project teams can align their approach to risk management with organizational values and objectives, fostering consistency and coherence in risk management practices. Risk tolerance levels define the organization's willingness to accept or tolerate certain levels of risk in pursuit of its objectives. Key steps in determining risk tolerance levels for the project include risk appetite, assessment, evaluating the organization's overall risk appetite, considering factors such as its strategic objectives, financial health, regulatory environment, and stakeholder expectations. Project-specific considerations, tailoring risk tolerance levels to align with the project's objectives, constraints, and stakeholders' risk preferences. This involves considering factors such as project complexity, criticality, and the potential impact of risks on project outcomes. By establishing clear risk tolerance levels for the project teams can make informed decisions about which risks to accept, mitigate, transfer, or avoid, thereby optimizing risk management efforts to align with organizational goals. Different projects may require different risk management methodologies and techniques based on their unique characteristics and requirements. Key considerations in identifying preferred risk management methodologies and techniques include methodology, selection, choosing an appropriate risk management methodology that best suits the project's objectives, complexity, and industry standards. Common methodologies include qualitative, quantitative, and hybrid approaches. Technique, evaluation, assessing the suitability of various risk management techniques such as risk registers, probability and impact matrices, scenario analysis, sensitivity analysis, and Monte Carlo simulation, based on their effectiveness in addressing project-specific risks. By selecting preferred risk management methodologies and techniques, project teams can streamline their risk management processes, enhance the accuracy of risk assessments, and improve the effectiveness of risk response strategies. Effective risk analysis and assessment rely on the availability of suitable tools and resources to gather, analyze, and interpret risk-related data. Key considerations in selecting appropriate tools and resources include tool suitability, choosing tools that align with the selected risk management methodologies and techniques, ensuring compatibility and ease of integration with existing project management systems. Resource availability, assessing the availability of skilled personnel, expertise, and budgetary resources to support the implementation and maintenance of risk management tools and technologies. By selecting appropriate tools and resources for risk analysis and assessment, project teams can enhance the accuracy and reliability of risk information, facilitating informed decision-making and risk management planning. Risk management should be integrated seamlessly with other project management processes to ensure consistency, efficiency, and effectiveness. Key steps in integrating risk management with other project management processes include scheduling integration, incorporating risk management activities into project schedules and timelines, ensuring that risk assessments, mitigation efforts, and monitoring activities are aligned with project milestones and deliverables. Budgeting alignment, integrating risk management costs and resources into project budgets, allocating sufficient funds and resources to support risk management activities throughout the project lifecycle. By integrating risk management with other project management processes, project teams can foster a holistic approach to project governance, enhancing their ability to anticipate, mitigate, and respond to risks effectively. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we will continue discussing developing risk management approach or strategy. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.